How many times have you tried to pour gas from that into that and spilled it all over the place? We have a really, really cool solution for this. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of a battery-powered fuel transfer pump. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. And we're going to show you guys how it works. You can see it's got little hoses on it. One of these is going to go in here, and then we're going to pump stuff into there. I also want to show you guys that it comes with different size connectors. So depending on the size of your gas can, there's multiple different sizes. So it should fit just about anything. Now I'm going to go get Jamie, and he's going to help me show you guys how this works. How does it work? It needs some batteries.
It's already got one.
Yes.
So it has a couple of them different sizes.
Yeah, it has a couple different sizes. Yep. So they screw in up there. All those multiple different sizes that I showed you guys before Jamie came out. And then those go on there.
Yeah.
So depending on the size of your gas tank, because they do come in different sizes.
Oh, I hate these stupid things.
Well, guess what? That's why I thought this would be perfect for you, because you always complain about that. Yeah, I hate it too. I never know how to work it.
This is like really heavy too.
Yes, the nice thing about this is a very heavy gas can, and that's what I was telling everybody earlier. When you take gas and you pour it in here, you're gonna spill it. You know how I know? Because we've spilled it many times. So you slide that down in there. So it's making it its own little gas pump. This is pretty cool. Yeah, I guess you don't need that anymore, huh?
Oh, and it's got a little clip, so you can probably even clip it to one of them rings, so
Clip
it stays
right
in there.
Check
And when you just
that
get
out.
on,
Turn it on.
oh my gosh, and you just turn it on.
That's so cool.
So here, I'll try to hover it so you can see. It moves gas.
That sure does.
That is cool.
Wow. And it's just a simple on and off button right there. That's all it is. And then, like you said, and then that goes back in here, and then any of the gas that might still be in there or whatever can drip and go back down into the gas tank.
It feels like a nice rubber seal there too, so
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it's all.
So it
sealed
stores
right
just like that. You can leave it right on your
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
tank.
It's gonna be so nice when I'm filling up the snow machine.
The snow
Especially
machine.
with the gas cans, because that's like
Yeah.
even a funnel sometimes it doesn't help.
You still spill it.
Yep.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. This is a real use case scenario. I mean, the other one is too, but like this, you'd have to pick that heavy thing up, try to turn it and pour it in here.
It just goes.
And we're gonna leave it out to show you guys. That's so cool. So much easier than picking up this heavy, what is this, 5 gallon, 7 gallon, and there it is. Clipped right in, fill her right up. So this also has an auto shut off. See that down in there? When the gas gets to that, it stops pumping. It just did it. We were looking at it to see if it would do it, and it did it. It has an auto shut off. So when you clip it to the side of your tank, it's gonna stop pumping when it gets to that little point down in there. So pretty much when it's full, it's gonna auto shut off.
That's pretty cool.
That is so cool.
Bonus.
This is a win.
Mm-hmm.
If you're looking for a much easier way to get gas into your machines from your gas cans, we definitely recommend this fuel transfer pump.